USDA's Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service specializes in eliminating and removing sick or dead wild birds. Their staff are trained to handle the risks associated with removal. Josh Homiak is a wildlife biologist with DNR.
Most of the ones that we're hearing about are either snow geese, Canada geese, or vultures. And so if they see a sick or injured bird, they can call that 877 number, report the bird and the location, and folks will be sent out to pick those birds up.
Anyone who sees sick or dead birds in the wild should not handle or move them.
Pretty much all the Eastern Shore counties are liable to have wild birds carrying HPAI, high path avian influenza. Our neighboring states have had similar reports, and many states across the country.
DNR says earlier this month, lab testing provided preliminary confirmation of bird flu in 7 dead snow geese found in Worcester and Dorchester counties and in several Eastern Shore poultry farms. Avian influenza is an airborne respiratory virus that spreads quickly among birds.
The CDC considers avian influenza to be a very low risk to human health, not zero risk, but very low risk. You can go, to their website and see that. However, the disease is extremely infectious and fatal to domestic poultry.
Homiak says people who may handle or encounter wild birds should take precautions to help limit the spread of the virus. He says this is especially important for those who have backyard flocks.
You should think about wearing different boots and different clothing if you're interacting, with your poultry flock. Certainly, that really falls under the heading of biosecurity.
If you see a dead or sick bird, you're asked to call this number, 1-877-463-6497, to have it removed. Lisa Robinson, WBAL TV 11 News.